New Air sent me a refrigerator. Man. This is gonna look great in my woman's cave. Or we can go to Dragon Man's and blow it up.
How you doing, Lacey? What do you got there?
Mal.
What's that? Refrigerator? What, are you gonna blow it up?
Well, New Air just sent me this refrigerator, and I thought maybe, yeah, we'll blow it up.
Yeah, it's brand new. It looks pretty good.
I know, it is brand new. It is like brand new.
Okay, you're gonna blow it up. I got some stuff here for you.
Do you have any
Let's
anything
see.
that?
Well, you got two choices. You know? Yeah, right here we got like 7 sticks of dynamite, or Tannerite.
Well, since I don't have a high explosive license, I better stick with the Tannerite.
Okay, let's see. How do I shut this off? We got 45 seconds. Holy.
You think they'll send me another one? Yeah. So what do you think? I'm stupid? I'm not blowing up my brand new Air refrigerator. I love it. It's extremely well made. You can see I've got it packed with drinks. It comes with keys, so you can actually lock it up. It's a very nice refrigerator. If you want one, we'll provide a link below for you guys to order your own. I just need one now for my ranch in Texas. So did I tell you how well made this is? I mean, keys, lock up your expensive wines, or your imported beers, or your dog medicine from the ranch. So here's my Barrett 50 cal. If you notice, it doesn't have a scope on it. We'll be having a video on why it doesn't have a scope on it. Also, Dragon Man got a new World War II tag maker, dog tag maker, which that'll be coming up next. But hey, you want to throw me a Coke out of my new refrigerator? Oh, thanks.
Who is the most armed man in America?
Here's what I found on the web for who is the most armed man in America.
Look at that. All about Mel Bernstein, Dragon Man, Colorado Springs, Dragon Arms. There's a lot of stories about me, some good, some bad, but who cares? It's all advertisement. How you doing, guys? I just bought a World War II dog tag machine. This actually still works, and I have a box of blank dog tags coming with chains. I could actually reproduce dog tags now, World War II. And we got a surprise coming within 2 more weeks. I bought a Huey helicopter. It doesn't work, but it's an original Huey Vietnam-era helicopter. And we'll put it on Facebook in a couple of weeks. And I'm very proud to show you my new Dragon Arms t-shirt. See, it's got the M16s in the front, Dragon Arms, and in the back, this is the important part.
Ooh.
Firearm manufacturer, Class 7. Very hard license to get. We're going to start manufacturing AR-15s in .223 caliber, .556, and 9mm in just about a month, as soon as I get the milled receivers. Anyway, look at all these wild weapons we've been ordering.
Well, we've got, look at this pistol here. Little 9mm, takes a Glock, it's got a skull.
Yeah, look at the skull. That's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
And
of course, when the dragon lower comes, it's going to be a nice dragon down here.
Yeah, we're going to have a dragon.
You have to make sure you get your very own dragon AR.
Yeah. See what happened a couple of weeks ago? I told my daughter Melissa she could start ordering guns for me, and all of a sudden we're getting all these kind of wild guns on the wall. My payment's been going up, and
yeah. Look at this.
Yeah, that's pretty wild.
It's a Ruger 308.
Yep. Pretty cool. Yeah, check this one out, 9mm. It's a PTR. It's an exact copy of the MP5 9mm. It takes the MP5 German magazines. They're coming out with all kinds of wild stuff. It even has a threaded barrel where we could put a suppressor on. Well, if you guys are looking for something different, just come on in, Dragon Arms, or give me a call, 719-683-2200.
So I just replaced my gas tube. It was cracked at the end. So let's see if it works. Let's see. Woohoo! Yep, it works. Thank God. See you later. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Find us on Facebook and Instagram.
And order your new t-shirts. Dragon Arms t-shirts. Order your new t-shirts. Okay, guys, send me an email. dragonman033@gmail.com. Thank you.
Yahoo.
Yahoo!
Yahoo!
You should have a Yahoo website.
Yeah, Yahoo website. Yeah.
Yeah, or a Yahoo email.
Or a Yahoo t-shirt.
Yeah.